this is the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. It's been launched in India today and we're giving you all the details about this smartphone. And let me tell you that this smartphone is actually intelligent, that means with art, yet it's a very artistic smartphone and intelligent because it has some fantastic AI features as well. There's more to it and the features are amazing. We'll tell you all about it in this video. Let's get started. The phone looks quite impressive at the first look and the lilac color is eye-catching. One impressive thing among many about the phone is also the silicone vegan texture at the back with the dash of metal frame given on the phone. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro sports 6.7-inch 1.5K POLED curved display with 144Hz of refresh rate at 2000 nits of peak local brightness level and HDR10 Plus support. The handset is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. It ships with Android 14 based Hello UI and will get 3 years of OS upgrades. Talking about the camera, the phone carries an AI-backed camera system. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is equipped with a triple rear camera unit which includes 50-megapixel primary sensor, optical image stabilization support, a 13-megapixel sensor paired with an ultra-wide lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto shooter with 3x optical zoom and OIS support. The front camera, on the other hand, carries a 50-megapixel sensor with quad-pixel technology and autofocus. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is backed by 4500 mAh of battery which supports 125 watts of wired and 50 watts of wireless turbocharging. The 125 watt charger is available with 12GB RAM variant, whereas the 8GB RAM option gets a 68 watt charger in the box. It also gets an IP68 rating for the dust and splash resistant. Well, another interesting thing about this smartphone is that the company claims it can stay in water for half hour and about 1.5 meter of water depth. So can it? We'll test it, we'll put it, we'll wait for half an hour and see if this works or not. Here's the tub of water. Let's just put the phone inside. There it goes. I left it there and the clock starts to tick. We'll see after half hour does this phone still works or not. This is IP68, by the way. So I've taken help of somebody to take the phone outside the water and he's going to hand it over to me and I'll still test if it's working or not and what company claims is actually true or not. Here's the phone. I've taken it out from the water and yes, it's working. Let's just take a selfie. Oh wow, it's still working. So yes, the claim seems to be right. The handset measures 8.19 mm in thickness and weighs 186 grams only. The phone comes in 3 colors, the Luxe Lavender, the Black Beauty and Moonlight Pearl. The Moonlight Pearl is handcrafted in Italy and is very stylish and beautiful with pearl finish. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro in India starts at 31,999 for 8GB 256GB variant, while the 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 35,999. However, at an introductory offer, the base variant starts 27,999 and the 12GB RAM variant is for 31,999. The phone will be available for sale in country from 9th via Flipkart, Motorola online store and retail stores. And yes, if you like this phone, well, the early bird offers is amazing with the price that it has. And yes, it does have some first world-class features in the phone.